Are you struggling to lose belly fat, no matter how hard you try? Here's the shocking truth. Weight gain is not your real problem. The real villain is a hormone-blocking fat loss, and this simple drink can help fix it. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact metabolism drink that burns belly fat, boosts energy, and heals your body from the inside out. Using just 3 ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. Stay with me, because at the end, I'll show you the bonus hack that takes fat burning to the next level. But most people completely miss. Here's why most people can't lose weight: insulin. It's your body's main fat-storing hormone. When insulin is high, your body literally cannot burn fat. And the scary part? Most people have insulin resistance and don't even know it. Let's fix that with this 3 powerful ingredients. Stay with me until the end, because I'll reveal the proper dosage for each ingredient, the best time of day to drink it, how often to take it for maximum results. Once you combine these 3 ingredients and use them the right way, the results are truly powerful, and you'll see belly fat melt faster than you expect. First, apple cider vinegar. Multiple studies show that the acetic acid in ACV can lower blood sugar levels after meals. By slowing down the digestion of carbs, it even improves insulin sensitivity by up to 34%, meaning your cells finally respond to insulin the way they should. Your body finally unlocks fat burning. And here's the crazy part. ACV may also reduce appetite, helping you naturally eat fewer calories without even trying. Second, lemon. Rich in citric acid and vitamin C. Lemons activate enzymes in your liver that help break down fat. Research shows that citrus polyphenols may prevent weight gain and reduce fat accumulation in the liver. Third, cinnamon. This is the game changer. Multiple clinical trials show cinnamon can lower fasting blood sugar by up to 24 points and reduce insulin resistance. It even helps control cravings. By keeping your blood sugar more stable, when you put these together, you create a metabolism drink that reduces inflammation, melts liver fat, and supercharges your energy. That means faster fat burning and feeling lighter, sharper, and more focused. So here's how to make it. 16 ounces of water, juice from 1 whole lemon, or about 1 ounce of lemon juice, 1 to 2 tablespoons of organic apple, cider vinegar with the mother, and a pinch of cinnamon. Mix it well, and if the flavor is too strong, add a few drops of stevia to turn it into a refreshing fat-burning lemonade. Now, here's the secret part you were waiting for. Drink this 2 to 3 times per day. The best time is before meals, or first thing in the morning, on an empty stomach. This timing helps lower the blood sugar spike from your food and keeps insulin low, so your body can burn fat all day long. And here's the bonus. When you pair this with intermittent fasting, your results skyrocket. Belly fat starts melting, energy levels rise, and you feel lighter and more focused. Let's recap. Insulin resistance is the real block to fat loss. Apple cider, vinegar, lemon, and cinnamon. Fight back, drink it consistently. 2 to 3 times a day. The best time is before meals or in the morning. And pair with fasting or keto. For the best results, don't just chase the scale, fix insulin resistance. Start with this drink today and watch your body transform. Hey, thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and let me know in the comments what you think. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health tips.